Pictionary games night, boys versus girls.
Knock. How? Fox.
Stop your eyes.
Yeah, it's a cat. Angus. Turtle. Tiger. With a tiger with stripes. You have to move so them can see. Them to guess.
Elephant. You can't talk.
They can't talk.
Duck.
No, bird.
I demand them to get so.
Yeah.
Woman them, not say a word. Hey, that was it.
One duck.
How much time I have left? Nino awa?
One horse.
Butterfly.
What was it?
Lobster.
Lobster! Weird, It's okay, it's okay. Alright? Alright? Supermarket? Supermarket, shopping?
Yeah.
Be more specific, guys.
Drop marker.
Donald Trump, President of the United States. What do you mean?
Prime Minister.
Before Obama.
President of the United States.
Bush. George W. Bush. The Arab team girl.
Yeah.
The Arab team girl.
Alright?
Cricket. One cricket man.
Hey.
One
Mealman. One butterfly kite.
Postman.
Them get.
Yeah, we don't want to be specific. Ready? You tell me. Wait, I'm gonna tell you what happened. Goalpost. Yeah. Soccer. Footballer.
Member, we're not guessing.
Trampoline. Pole vault. Hurdle.
The person always jump off and do something in the water.
Oh, wait, the first.
Diver. No.
When the first one go over, run and
The
jump over.
person jump off and jump in
And
the
then
water.
it's sport.
You have the time right now.
Gymnast.
Yes.
How do you come down? Turn it up, Indiana Jones.
Bombard.
What one?
No.
Aquaman.
No.
Aquaman.
No. Catwoman. No. What's your name?
What?
Wonder Woman.
Superman.
Devil. The devil. Farmer. Zeus.
Marian father. Shake your head now. Yes or no?
You know what I'm saying, right? Okay.
Hold on. Farm. Chop.
Oh, yeah.
Farming. Chef.
You can't talk.
Lando. Sous chef. Sushi.
You have to try.
The thing where them fork. Knife. Kitchen. Dining. Restaurant. Cutting board. Cutting. Vegetable. Cutting chef. What is that? Food prep.
Right. Do the countdown.
Fork. Knife.
And don't tell them what I'm
Chop.
Again.
Colonel, fried chicken.
Can't see. Andrew, you're too broad.
Pork chop.
Oh, think she doesn't
Seaweed. Farmer.
Can't see.
Fishing.
Ayara SQ.
What?
Diver. Deep dive.
Scuba
Up.
diving.
So the first time go up.
What's
Right?
You might jump for going under the water.
What's just
Again.
Astronaut.
What's just
Grass.
Seconds.
Grass. Man.
Up.
Jamie, you can't answer. You can't answer. A man can answer. Alright, what time?
Cookie.
Alright.
What's that?
No, wait, hold on.
Donuts.
Stone. Spots. In the earth.
The cord.
That's hold on. That's a rock. Cookie. Oatmeal.
30 seconds.
Seed.
Space.
Snow. Man. Man go down in the ground.
Dead.
What?
With that over.
But there's no way for me to know.
Jesus.
Hold on, wait. Wait.
snowman.
What second?
Done.
And that may I ask if that's a
Irish potato, man. Irish.
that's not a potato.
We can't draw potatoes.
Good try.
Irish potato, man.
You should have drawn the man till we get the potato.
But you know, we're obvious like get the potato. None tall. Thank you, we are word. Do we are word now? And we're here on the edge. Perfect. Vote for me, contestant number 1.
But you put up 2 fingers. Just out.
Ready? Ready?
Alright.
Go.
Good job, bend down.
I demand them to get Jamie. I'm with it.
Big belly man.
Lord
Pregnant
God.
woman.
Big bumper, girl.
Stop right here now.
Shensia.
Joanna.
Just out. It's just out. It's just right out. What about yourself? Oh my God. Jimmy. You get drunk, friend.
Ready, one word.
And I can't arrow Mario no.
It is always like to come.
Where the female is? You see a close?
Boom. I don't know word, man. I just have the picture them, I don't have the word.
Somebody. One more thing. One girl.
Can't go for you on the wrong side. Wow, there, draw that fire. Bro, dancers, ravers.
Oh, God.
Oh, ballerina girl.
Should I give a little youth this? Alright. You see where I go with this? Me too. But see where I go with this?
Dance session, Stone Love.
Party.
When you're not pre the settings.
Crowd, party, gathering, crowd, games,
But you know where my son.
family.
Time up.
What word?
Say my try the water. He might try draw back.
That's why me and you Uno.
Yeah, man, we're holding on, man. We're holding on.
I see that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's anyone did draw the pen, anyone if you did draw, you have to. Yeah, if you did draw the fence without the pick it up, yeah.
Ready?
Alright, girl, we're ready.
Ready?
Set. Go.
Fisherman. Alright, speedboat.
Submarine. Oh, what is
Yacht. Sunny Joe.
Continue. But
But a boat dance.
Fisherman boat.
the lane for the behind.
Back road.
What is scooter? Scooter.
Speed. Water bike. The speed bike. The water bike.
No, I can't get it. They get it.
Stop it, Isa.
I think it.
None of them are getting there.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, we are trying to man.
Water bike. So. Jet ski. Achoo.
How many days ago?
It's like if them for my mind, but me I say we can't.
No, them one over with.
Nah, get it.
Yes.
Said. What's just out?
Castle.
Royal.
Royal.
What's just out? What's just out?
5,
Field house.
4,
What's just out?
Field house.
2, time.
No. 2026.
Go for it. Get it. Kingdom.
Follow me on IG, Brandon Official. B, full stop R, full stop A, full stop N, full stop D, full stop O, full stop N, underscore official.
Next.
Yes, next year when you see me, I don't see that body I go so. I see what you go so. I see what so come in and everything go so. I used to like your whole man.
I actually don't know the lady here. She just come in from the compound. I was just say, alright. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. Remember to like, share, subscribe, drop in a comment. Tell me who you think the real winners were. Miss Jackie with the bun eating, but not lie. She come right out.
Right out, step out.
Right out and about.
Step out, step
Outside
out,
and
step
them
out,
outside.
step
Bun eating contest just listen, guy a bit. So guys, see you in the next video. Big up on yourself.